Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Sprint 267 review. It's a normal 2-week sprint. Let's get started. I'll start with the overview, Gilbert on the UI, Adam on providers, and Joe on the platform. As you can see, 71 PRs were merged this sprint with a fair amount of technical debt and some bugs and enhancements in there. And over to Gilbert on the UI.
Thanks, Jason. So for the UI, we only had two PRs merged this sprint. One was a test PR. Um, I believe Asavad added automated tests for the schedule form, and I merged the MIQ bots update url.lock with latest dependency PR. That's it for the UI. Next is Adam.
Thanks, Gilbert. For Amazon this sprint, we added a new set of instance types that Amazon just added. So the bot picked up on those in this sprint. For the dummy provider, we disabled it in production and development, but specifically allowing it for tests so that we can hopefully use that to better provide non-provider specific support for testing in the future. For KubeVirt, we are now have a method in the backend to allow VM reconfigure by presenting an instance type as opposed to a CPU and memory set. This is currently only supported in the backend. There's no UI available for it yet since the reconfigure UI isn't very pluggable, so we'll get to that soon, but now at least the method is exposed. You can configure that if you wanted to, probably via Automate or something like that. And finally, for providers for workflows, we fixed a logger error when we went to using a specific logger for the request logs. We were essentially doing a nested broadcast logger, and that was causing failures when it was trying to log in Flow. So we got that fixed up. And that's it for providers. Over to Joe.
Thanks, Adam. For platform enhancements this sprint, Adam added support for per Rails environment permission files within our VMDB plugins. And Rails 7.2 was merged on master with contributions from Keenan, Jason, and myself. Next slide. For platform bugs this sprint, Adam bumped ManageIQ messaging to 2.0 to handle a missing message protocol in the configuration. Brandon disabled the subscription manager in RPM build, as removing it would also remove DNF config manager. Next, Keenan fixed an issue in virtual attributes with Rails 7.2, includes through a polymorphic association where the uses was not provided. And he also upgraded to use this new virtual attributes version. We had several Rails 7.2 bug fixes, including changes for remove connection, no longer taking arguments. The application configuration paths were updated to no longer forcibly convert path names to strings. We moved some unnecessary application RB configuration settings. Connection pools connection method is deprecated, so we replaced it with connection or least connection. And active support's cache store pool size configuration was changed to use a different format. Next, Adam properly set the program name for the raw container and journal loggers. He also fixed workers getting stuck in creating when running the server in process mode. Jason dropped the deprecated required nested and include concern. Keenan removed some unnecessary instance variables in some specs in favor of using let or other options. And finally, Brandon switched to the CentOS Stream Open SSL packages to resolve a dependency resolution issue. Next slide.
And that's all for our Sprint 267 review. Our next Sprint review 268 is on August 6th at the usual place and time. And I'd like to thank all the presenters today and all the contributors to ManageIQ. Thanks, everyone.